Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add shake effect in Capcut. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open Capcut. Once you are in Capcut, you need to import your media. It can be a video or image into Capcut. Once you have done that, you are going to head to Transition panel. Once you click on Transition, you will see there are two options there. You are going to click on this one, and it will take you the effects in the Capcut library. Here, as you can, there is an effect called Shake. Click on it, and it will get added as a small layer into your timeline below. As you can see here, you can drag the effect to the start of the timeline and adjust to your liking. You can play with it and experiment that where it fits best for your video. And just like that, shake effect will be added to your video or picture using Capcut. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.